Welcome to Introduction to Small Business. This video is to show you how to complete the assignment 1.03, The Right Fit. Go to your classwork tab. You can view the assignment under View Your Work, or you can scroll down to Unit 1 for the assignments that begin with 1. Here is the assignment 1.03, The Right Fit. The icon in front shows the picture of the document. This means it is an assignment that you will complete in a Google Doc. Open the assignment. You will see different materials that you can use to help you complete the assignment. To see where you write your assignment, you need to click View Assignment. After you click View Assignment, you will see your workspace over here in the right corner. Click on the document in that corner. But remember, if you need help to complete it, you can click on these other documents to get more information. For example, this document gives us a list of different interests you can use to answer the questions for this assignment. After you open the document, you will be able to write in the chart. My skills, you will write your skills. This is information about you. I completed this already with the skills that I have. What are my interests? These are the things that I like to do. Sometimes they are the same as my skills if I also enjoy them. So these things I enjoy to do and they are my interests. Qualities are going to be the characteristics or your personality. So write down the qualities that make you a good fit for a business. Under these columns are two questions. What kind of business do you plan to open? Think of your business idea. I plan to open an educational consulting business. And write in, underneath the question, write in your answer. Why is this business a good fit for you? This is a good fit for me because I am a teacher with many years of experience and I have a lot of skills that I can share with programs and other teachers. Okay? When you finish your work in the document, depending on your device, you need to find the word turn in. Usually this is at the top of your screens if you are on a laptop or computer, but if you are on mobile device or a tablet, you may find it below your document. This concludes the video on 1.03, The Right Fit. Thank you.